Date Picker Figma. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Figma website. In the top right corner, click Login and enter the main dashboard. Click Design in the top right to start a new file. At the bottom tool panel, select Text, then type 1. Right-click the number and choose Add Auto Layout. Click the plus icon in the Fill section and change the number color to black. Duplicate the frame and change each one's color. Select all, right-click, and choose Create Multiple Component. Go to the Prototype tab and connect each frame. Set the interaction to while hovering, animation to Smart Animate, and duration to 100 milliseconds. Repeat this process for all frames. From the left panel, drag one component and duplicate it 6 times horizontally. Then duplicate it downward to create 6 rows. Select all and set the padding to 8. Update each number to match the calendar dates. Change the top row to the day names. Duplicate one frame to create the month title. Select the day and month frames. Right-click, choose Detach Instance, then Ungroup. Create a new frame. Set it to 400 by 400 and place all calendar frames inside. Click Preview. Your date picker is ready.